Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. As ever, you can find me over on Instagram at the House of Langford and at Overall Sews. I'm also on Ravelry as Mad X Stitcher, and this might be my last unboxing for this particular company because I am going to cancel my subscription because I'm moving and can't afford to, and yeah, I'm not really using them, but I'm going to continue with a new series which shows you me working through the projects in the boxes, so you actually get to see them made because I haven't been doing that. So there will still be Crochet Society stuff coming, just not in this format. But yeah, this is the newest Crochet Society box. I think it's 48. I will double check. I wanted to get to 50, but with everything that's going on, that's not going to be possible. So yeah, let's get it open and see what we got, because this one is covered in rainbows. It is very pretty and it was delivered today. Oh, it's silver. It's not rose gold this time, it is silver. So yeah, this is box 48. And we're going to get it open and see what's inside. Now, I can't remember who's curated this box, so I guess we'll have to find out. A little ray of sunshine. Bright pink tissue paper. There is stuffing in here. Oh, King Cole Cherish. We know I love this yarn. And there's a few balls in here. It's very bright. Look, it's very bright. And I think this one, is marshmallow, possibly. I'm that bad. I've learned all the names of the Cherish colours and the cherished colours. So yeah, we're going to put my knowledge to the test, aren't we? So let's try and get out the stuffing, which just seems to have been crammed in here. There's a little bit, there's still more in there. I think what's happened is the yarn has gone in on top of the stuffing. And it's just... So there is, yeah, we've got one ball of King Cole Cherish. And it is strawberry, not marshmallow. So, there we go. So it's all the pinks, which is quite nice. And I've used this before, so if you've seen any of my previous videos, you'll know that I have used Cherish yarn quite a lot. It's one of my favourite sort of baby type yarns because it's really soft and it comes in so many colours. But we also have in here some King Cole, so Cherish is by King Cole. We have some King Cole Big Value. See, stuffing is everywhere. I think I might have to put this down, pull out the stuffing and show you the yarn that way. Let's do that. Right, I think I've got all the stuffing out. There is quite a bit, and there's still fluffy bits stuck to all the yarn. So we have we have 4 balls of King Cole Big Value DK. This one is 4021 in cream. Then we have 4027 in yellow. And the light is doing weird things because it's nice and sunny outside for once. We have lime, which is 4049. And they're all falling onto the floor. And then we have fuchsia, 4034. So let me quickly show you what they all look like together. Okay, I can't actually hold them all. Let me try this one. There we go. That's actually a really nice sort of spring into summer palette. I have no idea what the patterns are going to be like. I'm thinking floral based maybe, but there's also stuff in, so maybe amigurumi. Yeah, it's not very often we get like big balls like this. These are 50 grams and the Cherish is 100 grams. So we have 300 grams of yarn. So yeah, let's have a look and see what we're going to make with them. Right, before we do that though, I need to finish going through what's in the box. So there is a flat pack yarn bowl, which is here. I've seen these before, they just sort of slot together. I'm not going to do that right now because I may break it, and obviously I'm moving, so I'm going to pack this box up pretty much straight away. But yeah, that looks quite fun. Then we have, oh, there's a pin badge, Making Magic Happen, and it's this giant rainbow. It says, ignore the rain, look for the rainbow. That's really cute. It's really heavy though. We have a hook. Oh, this hook is so pretty. It's got rainbows on it. So it's a 3.5 hook. That definitely tells me there's amigurumi. Then we have a oh, I love a yarn ball stitch marker. This one is rainbow themed, but it is a giant yarn ball with a crochet hook. Well, it is perfect. I love that. One of my favourites. And I'm assuming that's our safety eyes, which we tend to get when we get stuffing. And then we have a book. So I'm going to put the yarn back in here and try and get the stuffing back in here as well, and all the bits and bobs, and then we'll go through the book. Okay. Let's go through the book. As always, cheat sheet on the back with all the different conversions, which is really helpful. Oh, this one is designed by Helen Smith, who is Emkatcrochet. I think she did one of our advent blankets as well from Crochet Society, and she works in really bright colours. I've seen quite a few of her pieces on Instagram, and I do now follow her as well. So yeah, it's got like a tea and chat with her. So there's no like intro to the box this time. It goes straight into tea and chat. Then we have Joyful and Soft Plushie, which is a little rainbow. There's a Spring Rainbow Cushion, Cuddle and Love Comforter, and then an Ashbury Shawl, which is like a granny shawl, which is a bonus pattern. And then we've got the pages with all of the different things in the book. We've got tea and chat, what's in the box, build a box, which is the yarn bowl, about the yarn, your makes, and then obviously our subscription stuff at the back as well. So does it say what box number this is? Nope. We might find out at the very end. It might tell us what the next box number is. So we have the Joyful and Soft Plushie, which is a little rainbow sort of mini pillow with some bobble stitches. There's a pink and white version in here as well, which is cute. Although the picture is doubled up on 2 pages, so I think I've got an extra page in my book. I do. Yeah. This page is a duplicate of this page. They're both exactly the same. You can just about see the picture at the bottom on both of them. That's fine. So this is the page I have duplicated, but that's alright, I can take that out. So that's everything in our box. We've got the yarn, we've got the builder box, and all our little extra notions as well. It's very colourful. Very colourful. Didn't actually see what the oh, okay, so the blanket uses the strawberry colourway, but you can also do the rainbow plush in the colour, in the rainbow, in the strawberry yarn as well. Then we have the Spring Rainbow Cushion, which uses all our bright colours together. So it's like granny squares, and you stitch them together. And then the back is just a big granny square, just to finish off the back. Then we've got all the parts. So this tells you what all the parts do in the box. So I'm not going to get it open, but this will show you. So there's a little blocking board. There is conversion chart. You have the ring at the front, which helps you pull the yarn forward. You've got, I don't know what those bars are for. Oh, it says hang your stitch markers in style. Okay, cool. Then you've got tension squares as well. Handy wrap, handy guide to wrapping. So yarn has a wraps per inch. thickness, so you can use parts of the box for that as well. Then we have the Cuddle and Love Comforter, which looks like a V-stitch blanket, so baby size. Then we've got information on the yarn as well. And then I've got that duplicate page again. Then we have the Ashbury shawl, which is actually the bonus pattern for this one. So it is, we always get free patterns, but sometimes we get a bonus one. This one is actually by Catherine Lerona, who is Catherine Crochets on Instagram. It looks very simple. It's a granny triangle, which is very beginner friendly, which will be really nice. Oh wow, there's so many beautiful things in here. So this has a page for the Your Makes, so people will post on Facebook and Instagram, and then they take their favorites and pop them on here. So we've got some of the really colorful, I think it was box 42 with the flower hexes blanket. There's a cozy cushion, there's 2, 3, 4 hats, a bag, and a tea cozy, and even a little, I think he's meant to be a giraffe down the bottom. So there's a very colourful spread to match the very colourful box, which I really like. So I'll have a better look in a little while, see if I recognise any of the names on there. I don't think I do, but I will go and check some of them out as well. So the next box, it says you can subscribe now. It doesn't say what box number it is, and it doesn't show us doesn't show us what the next box is going to look like either. So that's what we've had before, where they've shown us what they look like, but it's just information on subscribing and a few of the past boxes as well. So yeah, that's our little booklet for this month. And to be honest, I don't think I'll make any of them, which is surprising. I love the colours of the yarn, and I would most definitely make something with the yarn, but not necessarily from this book. So yeah, we'll see whether I keep this or not. But this is possibly my last Crochet Society box, and yeah, I've been doing this for a while now, so I hope you'll still stick around with me to see some other Crochet Society bits and bobs. But this is this month's box. There's so much in here, so much. I love the colours, love the yarn, love this box. There's so many handy things. Love the badge as well. I love the hook, love the stitch marker. I love everything in here. I'm just not keen on the patterns, but that is a personal preference. And I have made many granny shawls in past as well, so I won't even make another one of those in this yarn because I've got plenty of other yarn to make them with. But there we go. Anyway, this is why I like doing these, because you get to see my actual reaction and my actual views on the box and whether I would do the projects. To me, this subscription is perfect for beginners. I haven't been a beginner for a very long time, and I just liked the inspiration from the boxes mainly. But if you want to have your own subscription, I'll put all the details down below like I do every time, and they're just not for me anymore. That's all it is. So yeah, if you like seeing what's in the boxes, there are plenty of other channels out there who do the subscription box openings. I might put a couple of links down below to some that I've seen. But yeah, I thought I'd share with you the last box that I'm going to get. So I think this is box 48. I will double check, and obviously the title will probably tell me whether I'm wrong or not. But yeah, thanks for joining me on my Crochet Society journey, and it will still continue because I've got plenty of boxes to work through. So yeah, I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.